With all of our advancements in AI in 2023, I think UX designers play a critical role in designing our future. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can become one regardless of what background you come from. We will go through what you would do on the job, skills you use, how to learn UX, where to learn UX, how to gain experience, how to build your portfolio, how to land your job, and continue improving your skills. As a UX designer, your role is to design experiences that solve a user need, meet business goals, and fit into any technical constraints. It's a highly collaborative job where you'll most likely be working with product managers, engineers, research, marketing, business partners, and more. You may also contribute to product strategy, translate research insights into design decisions, create workshops, user flows, wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, prototypes, and documentation. As AI has currently been tech-first, we play a role in shaping how humans can interact with AI products. As a UX designer, it's important to have skills in problem-solving, wireframing, prototyping, user research, visual design, business, collaboration, and frameworks you can learn are design thinking, user-centered design, information architecture, accessibility, and more. But at the end of the day, it always depends. It's good to know some frameworks to help you get started, but also being flexible of your situation. We all have different learning styles. Some prefer to jump right into projects, and some prefer a more structured learning environment, and there's no right or wrong way to learn UX. For those who prefer to jump right into projects, you can find projects to work on through volunteering, design challenges, competitions, hackathons, freelancing, taking your school project further, or building something on your own or with friends. I personally did this, but before I jumped right into these projects, I watched a lot of videos and blog articles about UX design fundamentals and then put what I learned into practice. For those who prefer a more structured way of learning, you can look into boot camps, courses, or even a bachelor's or master's degree. Thank you to Springboard for sponsoring our video. Springboard is an online learning and career platform that provides a comprehensive curriculum to help you land a career in UX design. In Springboard's program, you'll learn wireframing, prototyping, and how to design user-centered experiences, and you'll come away with a portfolio that you can use to apply for jobs in UX design. It's also 100% self-paced, and Springboard will provide you one-on-one mentorship from industry professionals and additional networking opportunities to help you land that job. Also, if you do not land a job within 6 months of completing the program, you can get 100% of your tuition back if it falls within their terms and conditions. For our holiday season offer, Springboard is offering a $1,500 discount on all their bootcamps, including their UI UX bootcamp, which has a 9th-month version and a 6-month version. I will leave the link up here and also in our description and the comment section below, so check it out. This offer is also eligible until January 2nd, 2024, and I know there's folks in our Design Buddies community that have taken Springboard before, so if you have any questions, feel free to post in there. Maybe someone will help answer any questions you have. I have also gotten access to the platform, and it's something that I would personally recommend to folks just starting out in UX design as a starting point. As a disclaimer, even though Springboard is a partner, I have full creative freedom to express my thoughts in this video. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to learn design. Everyone learns differently. When enrolling in a program, you can read reviews and talk to past students to learn about their experience. To improve in UX design, you need to apply what you learned into practical, real-world projects. And you can get these projects through your classes, but if you're self-taught, you can seek out different volunteer opportunities, freelance opportunities, design challenges, and more, and collaborating with others to build a product. Participating in communities and events and networking helps you meet more people to collaborate with and potentially hire you. You need a portfolio to land a job in UX design. Your portfolio should showcase your best work, not every single thing you've done. At minimum, your portfolio should include a landing page, at least 2 strong case studies, and an about page about yourself. Your case study is where a hiring manager and recruiter can learn more about how you work and how you think. you can focus on storytelling, showing your process and decision making. In each of your case study projects, you can break it down into beginning, middle, and end sections. In the beginning, mention why you're working on this, what problem you're trying to solve, who are the users you're trying to solve for, how did you validate this was a problem, and what was your role? Did you work with a team? How did you work with them? In the middle, showcase how you solved the problem. What did you explore? What worked out? What didn't? You can also showcase your divergent and convergent thinking from the double diamond. Towards the end, mention what impact your project made from a user needs and business standpoint. What were the constraints and what did you learn? Ask for feedback on your portfolio. We also have a portfolio reviews channel in the Design Buddies Discord, and I will add the link in our description. Feel free to reference my own portfolio as an example, grace-ling.com. I also have another video on my YouTube channel where I go through my first ever UX design case study, and I will leave both of these links in our description. To apply for a job in UX design, in my experience, you need to have at least a portfolio and resume. Having a strong LinkedIn profile helps a lot for your visibility as well. It also depends on the hiring manager, but some jobs still need a cover letter, so I'll recommend including it all: your portfolio, resume, LinkedIn, and cover letter. Networking, personal branding, content creation is also very helpful, but make sure you have the skills and the work to show for before you reach out and network. On your resume, focus on quantifiable metrics using numbers and that are either revenue generating or time saving. For example, did you redesign a flow that led to a percentage increase in sales or conversions? Your LinkedIn profile is like an extension of your resume. Have a clear headline and bio. Complete your experiences and education section. Add skills and maybe even ask for recommendations from folks you have worked with before. And I'll do another video on your cover letter. Include specific examples of your experiences that relate to the job you're applying for. You can also reference examples online. And if you have writer's block, you can also ask ChatGPT to write anything for you as a starting point, but make sure you add your own writing to it. Networking is also key. I like to think of networking as making friends, finding things in common and how you can help each other and add value to each other's lives. You can also meet people through online or in-person communities such as Design Buddies on Discord, attending events online or in person, and more. Also, you can share your work and your journey online, such as on LinkedIn, to have people come to you and connect with more friends. Finding mentors to support you during your journey is also important. Meet people who you vibe with and are in places in their career that you aspire to be at. You can learn from them and they can also learn from you. Learn beyond design on topics that personally interest you, such as psychology, front-end, marketing, graphic design, illustration, and more. It will also help you collaborate more effectively on your cross-functional partners as well. Continue to seek constructive feedback to learn where you can also improve. I think UX design as a career is growing, vibing, and thriving. As tech advances, there will be many opportunities for designers to help bridge the gap between technology and humans. There are many ways to learn UX, build your experience, and land jobs. Keep exploring, experimenting, and having lots of fun. I hope you absolutely slay your UX design career journey. Land that job, make that money, live your best life. Feel free to comment any questions you have and any ideas you'd like me to see me make a video on. What are your goals for 2024? Leave a comment down below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share with your friends to help them out as well. I also have more videos on design and career coming up on my channel on YouTube, Grace Ling, and have a nice day and hope you slay and have a nice 2024.